Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding with Mock. And in this last video about Java multithreading, we'll just have a quick chat about what you need to know about multithreading as a junior developer and the context in which we will be using or be confronted with multithreading. Now, before we jump into the multithreading context, let's talk about modern applications. Modern applications at this point in time, and I'm talking mid 2020, modern applications that we are talking about are web applications. Most applications are not installed anymore on your computer. Most applications, especially in businesses and enterprises, most applications will be installed somewhere on a server, and users will be interacting with your application using a web browser. Now, that being said, you don't know how many users there will be at a certain moment in time. There might be one user using your application, but there might be 100 users using your application at the same time. Especially in a bigger company, you'll have more chances of having a lot of people all logging into that back office application, or if you're running a point of sale thing, web shop or website, where you have 100 customers logging into your website or web shop at the same time. Now, for all intents and purposes, every one of those users will be getting its own thread. But they'll all want to buy something, and let's say that you only have one smartphone to sell, or there's just one left in stock. You don't want two, maybe three customers all getting confirmation that they bought their smartphone and that it will be sent to them on that day and that they'll be receiving it tomorrow, because there's going to be two people really disappointed in you. You see? So what's going to be important for you as a junior developer in all of this story? The really important part is that you, one, understand that there will be multiple threads running in your application, and that there will be shared resources. And the thing that you will need to learn as a junior developer is to identify those shared resources and make it so that they are safe to be used by multiple threads. What in essence will come down to is that you have to make it safe for multiple users to use your system at the same time. That's what it boils down to. Okay. So, really short recap of this video, or of our little talk here. What do you need to remember as a junior developer about this whole thing, this whole video series about multithreading, is identifying shared resources and safely using or making it safe to use those shared resources. Okay? If there's anything that you've learned or that you should have learned about multithreading in Java, it's that. How to create a safe, thread-safe, shared resource. Managing of threads, creating threads, putting them on hold, all of that is not going to be as important for you as a junior developer. Junior developers are seldom asked to manage or create a system that manages threads. There are simple, out-of-the-box solutions for that, and later on, when we start talking about web applications, you'll see that the web framework, or the MVC framework, that's the one we'll be looking at, that it will manage those threads for us. And that's something we don't really need to be worried about. Okay, hope this made things clear for you. If there's any questions, I'd like them to see them down in the comments, or you can always reach me by email. And I'll see you in the next course. Goodbye.